Hey, San Antonio. It's almost Juneteenth and I'm here to give you the rundown on what's open and what's closed in the city this holiday. So, let's dive straight in. First up, City Hall and most of our municipal offices will be taking a break on Wednesday, June 19th to honor Juneteenth. But don't worry, our public safety and emergency services will still be up and running. So, whether it's a small crisis or a big emergency, you're covered. Now, for everyone's favorite topic, trash. You'll be glad to hear there's no break in garbage, recycling and organics collection. Yep, that's right. All your disposables will be picked up according to the regular schedule all week long, so keep those bins ready. But what about other services? Well, it's a mixed bag. While emergency services are fully operational, other general services and administrative offices might not be. It's a good idea to check the specific schedules if you've got business to handle. Remember folks, Juneteenth isn't just a day off. It's a day to reflect and celebrate freedom and equality. So, while you enjoy that break, maybe take a moment to think about the significance of this day. That's it for now, San Antonio. Stay safe, stay informed, and have a wonderful Juneteenth. See you next time.